Hello everyone. While solving the questions from CAT 2020 slot 1, I'll take a standard approach. I'll go through the basic approach first, and if there is any shortcut or any method or any way in which we could have solved the question in a much easier manner, then I'll discuss it after discussing the basic method. So let's get on with the question from CAT 2020 slot 1 that you've come for. Another standard question from time, speed and distance. A train travelled at one-third of its usual speed and hence reached the destination 30 minutes after the scheduled time. On its return journey, the train initially travelled at its usual speed for 5 minutes, but then stopped for 4 minutes for an emergency. The percentage by which the train must now increase its usual speed so as to reach the destination at the scheduled time is nearest to. Now the train, while going from the source station to the destination station, traveled at one-third of usual speed. So let's say usual speed was S. Then today the train traveled at one-third of usual speed. Hence it reached the destination 30 minutes after the scheduled time. So let's think about the time of the journey. Let's say t मिनट्स लगते थे पहले, तो अभी कितना टाइम लग रहा है? t plus 30 minutes लग रहा है. On its return journey में भी distance same होगा, onward journey में भी distance same होगा. So I can keep a factor in my mind that the distance is constant. On its return journey, the train initially traveled at its usual speed for 5 minutes, then stopped for 4 minutes. तो कहीं रास्ते में the train made a stop while coming back. The percentage by which the train must now increase its usual speed, इस journey में कितना percentage increase होना चाहिए is the question. Okay, we already know that the train in its onward journey S के बजाय 1/3 S से चली, तो अगर डिस्टेंस कांस्टेंट है, स्पीड इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टाइम, तो स्पीड अगर 1/3 कर दी तो टाइम कितना लगेगा? t के बजाय टाइम लगेगा 3t. पर हमें क्या पता है दैट 3t इज इक्वल टू t plus 30, विच मीन्स आई कैन इजीली कंक्लूड दैट t इज इक्वल टू 15. So usual time taken for the journey is 15 minutes. Now in this 15-minute journey, the train while coming back covered 5 minutes at usual speed. That means the remaining time for the train was 10 minutes to reach its scheduled time. However, we know that the train took a break here. It took a 4-minute stop for some emergency. That means now it needs to cover this distance in 6 minutes. So at usual speed, time taken was 10 minutes. Now if the time required is 6 minutes, then the percentage increase in speed should be, again, distance constant, so speed is inversely proportional to time. That means the speed should become 10 over 6 s or 5 over 3 s. 5 over 3 getting multiplied means percentage increases 2 by 3 or 66.6% is closest to 67 in the answer options. Answer option 3. That's it. Thank you.